Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Welcome to People Cert. Before proceeding to test, there is a small process which we need to complete. For that purpose, can you please show me your ID document in front of the camera?
Yes. This is my
Can you please bring it a bit closer? I'm afraid that I cannot see it clearly. Can you make a photo of your ID document in your mobile phone and then zoom it with your fingers and show me in front of the camera?
clear.
Yeah, it's clear. Thank you. Now I need to see the date of birth. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Now, would you please mind showing me your ID document photo? Okay, fine. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
Can you please give me a 360 rotation of your room? I can check your room for security purposes. Okay, fine. Go on. Perfect. Go on. Mhm. Okay, perfect. Please show me the whole surface of your desk. Go a step back and show me the whole surface of your desk.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, fine. Where have you attached your headphone? Can you please show me where have you attached?
Okay. Then I that my headphone. One is conditioning and one is for speaking.
Okay. And what about other cables?
One cable is for keyboard and one is for mouse.
Are you using your personal internet?
No, ma'am, it's internet. The cable is behind.
Okay, please put your camera on your desk back. Can you please show me your wrist that you are not wearing any smartwatch? Perfect, it's perfect. Can you please show me under your desk once more, please? And can you please show me behind your CPU?
Yeah.
Can you please name these wires?
Okay. This one is for internet. Yeah, behind the internet wire, webcam wire. This one is VGA and this cable is power cable.
Good. Please take your seat. You are having your mobile phone with you.
Yeah.
Okay, can you please put it back somewhere out of reach where you cannot touch it during your test?
Yeah, I put it on my table. You can see.
Now I need to take a photo of you for your exam day. For that purpose, can you please remove your headphone for a while and put them in front of you and look straight into the camera? Thank you so much. Now, before beginning your exam, there are some instructions which you need to follow during your test. You will see an end exam button on your screen during the whole test. You are not allowed to click on that button until you are done all of your questions. You will have to put your headphones back on your desk when you are done with your listening. Is that fine? If you need anything during your test, then you can simply text me in the chat box, which is on your right side, the right side of your screen. You can minimize that chat box with the orange arrow, which you can see there. There is a zoom button on the top of your screen with which you can zoom in your screen or zoom out according to your ease. There is a refresh button as well, which helps you can refresh if your screen is stuck somewhere. Now I'm going to validate your test. Before that, I would like to ask you if you want to use bathroom or if you want to do some coffee for yourself, because it will take a lot of time for the test. It will take
Easy.
fine. Then I'm going to validate your test now. Wish you best of luck. If you need anything, then you can simply text me. Good luck.